How to fix Wi-Fi error on your Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi error on your Android easy and fast. So there is two ways, or let's say three ways, that you can try, and I hope one of them works for you. The first way is you can try to restart your phone, cause sometimes all what you have to do is just reboot your phone. And the second solution is to go to the settings, as you can see here, and then click on the wireless and networks, and then click on Wi-Fi. And then all what you have to do is press a long press on your connected Wi-Fi or the one that you want to connect in, and then click on forget network, and then rewrite the password and try to connect. And the third uh, solution that you can try is the airplane mode. Yes, you can try the airplane mode. All what you have to do is enable it and disable it, and I hope it works for you, and I am sure that 90% this will work for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.